Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are at Farmer's Market in Chicago.
Noisy as hell.
Yeah, they have like all of their spring trees out, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting a fruit tree to plant in a container in like the front of our house. So we're gonna check out some fruit trees, and then of course houseplants, because duh. We just left and it's really bright. Now it's dark. We got a few plants. So when I get home, I'm gonna pot them up and I'm gonna do a little plant haul. Kiss.
Too far, bro.
Hey guys. Okay, so we just got back from Farmer's Market on Elston Avenue in Chicago, and I was excited about it because I knew they were gonna have a ton more houseplants since the last time I've been there with my kids back in February, because it was February in Chicago. Let's talk about what we got. Hold on. A little parched. So let's start with this one. This was $14.99. This is an arrowhead, and it was 30% off because I guess in the winter it had lost a bunch of leaves, and I picked it up and noticed it right away because it had so much new growth on it. Can you see that? So much. So I'm excited about this, and I'll do a close-up after I get this potted up. We're gonna repot this guy. And then I also got this euphorbia Gwentheri. Am I saying that right? This was $11.99. And these things can get pretty dang big. They are slow growers, but the guy at the shop told us to put them outside in like full sun for a good 5 to 6 hours a day, and they should grow pretty quickly. So I'm excited about this. I'll also do a close-up of these once we get them repotted. This is my other arrowhead that I had. This one is from the plant haul, and I got this a few months ago and it's doing great, but I just wanted to use this Terra Cotta pot to pot this guy in. So I'm gonna combine these two little guys together so that they are friends in the same pot. And then the last one I got is this Peperomia Hope. Isn't this the cutest, tiniest little plant? It's got new growth on both stems, and I'm just so excited about it. The leaves on it are very succulent-like. This was $4.99, And we're gonna get this potted into this little Terra Cotta. All right, so let's just jump on into it, you know? I have some soil here. It's just organic potting mix with some perlite in it, just for better drainage. Also a little bit of worm castings and some charcoal. Put a little bit in there. So is everybody excited about spring? Oh, there's a baby down there. So cute. I'm so excited about spring, and I am not a hot weather type of gal, but I'm excited about getting some of our plants outside here. So the root system on these are not very well established, which they told me that they were newer and they wouldn't be. So they do have roots though. So we're just gonna actually put a little bit more soil in here. Stick this one in there. Guys, I'm building my peperomia collection. I'm thinking of doing a video on all the peperomias I have. Would you guys want to see that? So I might have a peperomia obsession. Would you support me in my peperomia addiction? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. The good thing about repotting outside, guys, I'm telling you, you could just knock the dirt on the ground. No one's gonna judge you. Make sure all the roots are covered so they can grow up to be cute, bigger peperomia hopes. Did I say the name that it's a hope? I can't remember if I said that or not. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more soil. Farmer's Market also gave us this nice little box so I don't get soil all over my table, but I probably will because it's just how I roll. Oh my gosh, I love it. So cute. All right, I'll do a close-up of that in a little bit. Let's move on to this little feller. All right. Bye-bye, dirt. Just adding back to the, circle of life here. Okay, what are we doing with you? Oh, that's right. I actually have to put him aside, and I'm gonna do these first because I need to get this out of here to use this pot. Look at those roots, guys. Say what? I knew he was doing good. Love this little guy. This is pretty good soil. I don't know, I'm not gonna use it. Hold on. And I'm back. Okay. Let's get this. Can go here for right now. And then we're gonna get this out of here. Oh, let's stick. Bark. Be right back and go to the rocks. Ah! See? Good Lord. These roots are quite established. Look at that. So I'm thinking less soil in here. Wow, look at that, guys. That's a pretty root system there. Oh, this little feller, it fell off all by himself. We're not gonna leave you out. You don't worry. You don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Everything is gonna be alright. Okay, we're gonna put you right there because you have a friend now. You got a friend in me. It's a little windy outside today. So nice in Chicago. Today I think got to 65. And tomorrow, okay, let's talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow I am spending the entire day with my best friend forever in life. And we are going to go to Wisconsin to this thrift shop that we've been eyeballing for like the past year. And because, we're married with children and work and everything, we have not been able to check it out yet. And it's in Wisconsin. It's called Piccadilly's. And we decided to make a full day of it instead of just driving to that one store. We are gonna hit up these birds don't want me talking apparently. We're gonna hit up 8 plant shops, guys. So I've decided that she doesn't have a choice, so she's gonna be in a video with me, so you'll get to meet my best friend. And her name's Nicole too, so have fun with that. And we've been friends since we were 5. And I'm not gonna tell you how many years, because then you'll know how old I am. But you guys can guess. Ooh, guess how old I am in the comments. That'll be a fun game. Oh, guess what I forgot? I forgot about little feller. We're gonna stick him in. Forget about little feller. Okay. He's gonna grow. How cute. Again, close up later. Patience, grasshoppers. All right, let's clean up a little bit here, you know? That's how I clean. Euphorbias have, well, these specifically have quite the poisonous sap. So you have to be very careful. You're supposed to use gloves, but I live on the wild side, so we're not going to. We're gonna hope for the best and pray that I don't end up in a hospital. They don't like a lot of water. Tons of sun, very little water. Oh, ow! One of the downfalls about recording outside is, okay, he's a little spiky. I didn't know that, so I'm gonna go get my gloves. BRB. Okay. Calm down. You know, nothing against motorcyclists, but they're loud. Got my gloves, if I could just get them on my fingers. I'll link these below. Amazon, pretty cheap. And cactus proof, guys. I'm telling you. Only gloves I found that haven't murdered my hands yet by Cactus needles. This is not a cactus, but he sure has some spike action happening here. These are bigger than I thought. Look at that. Okay, nice little root system going on there. Have to get these propped up and then get the other ones in there. Aww. Cute. So it's Saturday and it's sunset hour, kind of. And those of you that know me, I'm not at a wedding. I have the day off. So a little quality time with the hubs. No children in the house. Maybe we'll watch a movie. Maybe we'll watch the Science Channel, because that's what we do. I don't know. Sure, why not? Teamwork, hands. Teamwork. Ooh, so cute. Okay, this one's like wonky. Look at this. It's like, and try to get him standing. I mean, he's gonna do his own thing, you know? I hear that once these get a little bit bigger, they start to trail. You know how I feel about trailing plants. Or maybe you don't, but now you do. Okay. You guys are really stinking cute. How cute is this? I plan on doing updates on all the plants that I repotted in the past this spring, or maybe like beginning of summer. So stay tuned for that. And I really love all of your recommendations and videos that you guys want to see. If you have any other ones, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm pretty excited about getting started on all of the ones that you guys have requested. Oh, really quick, do you guys want to see something that I did? Remember I got my Spanish moss? If you saw in a past video, I'll link it here. I bought some Spanish moss from Plant Shop Chicago, and I have some cuttings from Louisiana that I took. And now you're seeing my messy backyard. I put them in my tree. Look. How cool is that, right? So my guys here are just propagating in these Starbucks bottles. They got some roots going on there. And they get pretty good sun, but they're protected kind of here because this area usually stays, usually stays shaded. So I thought, how cool would it be if they start climbing up that tree, right? It's where I found them. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna step back and show you a wider view of this tree. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, back to repotting. Sorry. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more repotting videos and like shop with me videos and plant hauls, give it a thumbs up. Comment in this comment section below. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos of mine in the future. And I guess hit that little bell. I haven't talked about the bell in a long time. I mean, if you wanted to get like a bing, My Clean Leaves has a new video this week, today. Go watch it now. Hit the bell, because then you'll never miss another video. Thanks, guys. See you in my next one.